IC-705FXB. So I've got my AT100 Pro 2 tuner, but whenever I set it up and whenever I want the ICOM 705 to to be charged or to have a bit more zumph, I have to dig out my power supply and an extension lead. So this isn't a good solution for when I just go out and park up in the car somewhere and have a chat. So I've decided to go for just a cheap motorcycle battery. So this motorcycle battery was only £17 in the UK. So there's the specs: 12 volt, 4 amp hour, and is that 50 amp? Not really sure. But like I said, it was just £17. It was delivered, and it's a gel battery. I can charge it with my normal car charger that I've got. Obviously it's 12 volts, so this is what it looks like now. So here we are with everything's connected at the moment. You can see that the charging light is lit to show that there's a DC power supply connected. And we're gonna do some tests on the tune now. So let's go down to 80, and we'll just we'll get it in RTTY for now. The power at the moment is 10%, so that's already tuned. That's already SWR, but you can see that there is a couple of flashes coming from the tuner. So let's zip the power up to 10 watts. Now let's see if it actually does give out 10 watts, because obviously it's 12 volt, not 13.8. So let's just hit that. Right, so it's tuning very quickly as well, and the power 1212. Right. So it says it's showing here 100% would be there. So it's not quite 10 watts, but it's definitely more than it would normally give. And I haven't fully charged that battery. So for me, that's still fine, because even if it doesn't increase the power massively, it's going to give me a bit more, but it's also going to allow me to run my tuner without having to, bring anything. And so for me, it's a very inexpensive way of powering everything when I go out. And most of us, when we go out portable, how long do we actually transmit for portable? We don't actually transmit for that long. So for me, it's perfect. And then I can come home and I can just put it back on charge for a couple of hours, and then I'm ready to go again. And also, it's very handy around the house having a 12 volt supply that you can just carry in any room, because we've got a few devices that run on 12 volts. So let's go back to USB on this, and then we're just going to have a little transmission. We'll just show the tuner. We might later on, we might take it outside. Sorry about the glare. There's a problem with this room. There's too much glare coming in from different places. A bit of a pain. Right. Anyway, so let's just actually use the thing. Right. So let's turn it up. We'll have a tune through. Just a bit quiet.
Yeah, there's somebody else in there, the whistler.
Right. Is that me whistling? Oh no. Mike 0 Fox X-Ray Bravo.
Absolutely amazing. I had a suspicion you were going to say that. I don't know why. It's absolutely amazing that he could give you a call and have a chat. I thought it'd be a few more weeks yet, so that's absolutely A1.
That's 3777. So, let's just go out of their way. Let's Just see if we tune. Mic 0, yeah, we're 1 to 1 there. Okay, let's just go to the meter again. Look, this case, we're nearly up to 100 watts. I mean, 10 watts, 100%. So, yeah, let me know what you think. We're using a car battery, a motorcycle 12-volt battery. And to me, it's the cheapest way to do things. You can buy a trickle charger for a tenner. You can buy the battery for £16-17. So for £27, you've got basically a very, very good power bank. So let me know, 7.3, and I'll do some tests later on a separate video.